Howdy folks, I like to turn this balance, top weigher, which has an accuracy in from 0 to 500 grams in divisions of 10 grams, but I would like to make it more accurate. How to do that? And for that I'm going to show you how to do it. First I remove the scale. Second, what I did here is make a hole, a straight hole, for this object, which is nothing, basically just a metal stripe with a hole in it. Well, it's not perfectly in the center, and a little foot here. And that foot end I will put in here, and that hole. Tilt it a little bit and put it in. I have only to use one hand, so it may take a little bit more than usual. Yep, bingo. The next thing is, now I have the scale. Now it looks like this. The next thing is, what I did is having in this case, aluminium rod of, in this case, about 4 millimeters. 4 millimeters wide. This is about 60 centimeters or something. And on that rod I made a little hook. I narrowed it down so that it will fit into this hole, and I curved it. I made a hook of it, and I took a copper piece of wire and I wound it around the aluminum bar. But before I did that, I made a notch in this aluminum bar. So I with how do you say that? A Dremel, something like this. Well, this is confirmed. But you know, I made a little notch in it so that it will remain on the same spot, and I bended it like this. Why? Well, this is for the hole, as you can see, and this hook is going into that hole. So basically what I'm doing here is hook it in here and put this in this hole. Oh, let me put it, yeah, like that. And now I got basically what it takes. But as you can see, it's tipping over. So what I have to do is put here a counterbalance, and that will take a moment. And for that I will pause this video and put here a counterbalance. So one moment and I'll see you on the other side of the pause. Okay, this is how it looks when there is a counterbalance. This is just a piece of granite block about 2 centimeters thick and well, about this size. And what you can see is that now I have an increased arm length. This is an arm, a short arm here, and this is the long arm over here. And on that I can use a bent over paperclip, a bent paperclip to use over here in that notch. And now you have, if I'm correct, it's about 150 grams. And now we have to calibrate it somewhat. And for that I use coins, 0-cent coins. This is a 1 cent coin, and as you can see it is around 150 grams approx here. And I'm not, you could easily adjust it with this knob behind here to adjust it exactly on 150, but for that, for now it's okay like this. And then you can put on, calibrate it with coins of which the weights are known. And this is 2.3 grams, but here you saw it was standing on 150, now it's about 180. So it increased in accuracy. And if you take some more coins to calibrate the whole thing, then you are increasing your weighing scale. And well, that's basically it. Hope you enjoy it. Of course, you can use more nuts, more coins. I used a 2 cent coin. No, this is 2 point something grams, and this is, well, some more. Well, you can find it on the internet anyhow. And I used a 5-cent coin because these are all known weights, and for the purpose of this enhanced accuracy balance, it is accurate enough to know what you can find on the internet. So, well, this is what I wanted to show you. Thanks for watching. Hasta la vista. See you next time. Bye bye.